lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into today's video, I have to show you something that has been a total game changer for our family. If you're a busy mom like me, juggling work, kids, schedules, meals, basically all the things, then you need to see this. This is the Linkdaze Calendar, a smart family organizer that has seriously simplified our daily routine. The Linkdaze Calendar automatically connects with Google Calendar, iCloud, and more, so everything is always up to date with the whole family. Now this feature is one of my faves. Linkdaze actually turns chores into fun, interactive games for the kids. They can check off their tasks like brushing their teeth, making their bed, cleaning their room, doing the dishes, and they earn rewards for completing them. And I like to add my chores to this as well to keep me on track.
These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close.
The Linkdaze Calendar also has an AI meal planner. I can snap a picture of a recipe and it automatically creates a shopping list and adds it to my meal plan. It is literal magic. You can also upload recipes from websites and links, and it will automatically upload to your calendar. I don't know who needs to hear this, but this just saved me about 2 hours every week.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses.
You can even use voice commands to add an event, or just snap a picture of a flyer or a school note and it creates the event for you. No more typing everything in, no more missing spirit days or dental appointments.
Did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
And when not in use, you can use your calendar as a digital photo frame. Just upload your photos from your phone onto the app, and there you go. Pictures of the entire family. And guess what? There's no subscription fee. You get full access to everything with just a single purchase, plus free updates forever. No hidden costs, and I love that. So if you're ready to get your family organized before the new year, check out the Linkdaze Calendar. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. P.S. This will make an awesome Christmas gift for a busy family. Now let's jump into today's video. Hi guys, happy Sunday. Today I'm headed to the store. I'm returning the Christmas items that I bought from Burlington. I'm gonna video and let y'all see what the train actually looks like. I forgot to show y'all. It's so pretty, but y'all, it was $50. And I cannot justify that. And where's my ring? It must be upstairs when I wash my hair. Yeah, I can't justify that. So, me and my mama are about to go to the store. I'm going to Burlington and probably Macy's because she wants to find some boots. For some reason, she thinks she can get some boots for like less than $200. And I'm like, now girl. No, but yeah, we're headed to the store now, and I'll see y'all when we get to Burlington and Macy's. Oh, and I also need to go to Macy's. I told you I need to get some bras. My bras have just gone to glory, so I need to get at least 2 to 3 bras. Hopefully they have some on sale. But anywho, happy Sunday.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. living free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water, bear a sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. Moody. Golly, shut it. Moody. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water, bear a sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim,
take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Don't let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight